Hi there, Ushma this side. Microsoft has recently made a groundbreaking advancement in the field of artificial intelligence with the introduction of Phi Mini. This compact yet powerful AI model is designed to fit right in your pocket, quite literally, as it can run on your iPhone 14, bringing advanced AI capabilities without compromising user privacy. This innovation marks a significant shift in the AI landscape where traditionally developing AI meant creating larger and more complex systems, often relying on substantial computing power and storage, typically in the form of robust cloud based infrastructure. Before diving deeper, if you are ready to learn amazing and useful AI tools, then we have a wonderful workshop with only rupees 9 and link is in description. Now, let's move to our tutorial. The Phi Mini with its 3.8 billion parameters and training on 3.3 trillion tokens rivals much larger models like Mixer 8 by 7B and GPT 3.5 in terms of performance. What sets it apart is its ability to operate efficiently on regular smartphones without the need for additional computing resources. This achievement is attributed to careful data curation and optimization, focusing not just on increasing the volume of data but also on enhancing its quality and relevance. Rather than simply scaling up the model size, Microsoft invested considerable effort into refining the training data, incorporating careful, selected web data and synthetic data generated by other language models. This meticulous approach not only ensures superior data quality but also enhance the model's ability to comprehend and generate human-like text. The Phi Mini employs a transformer decoder architecture, allowing it to handle a wide range of information effectively despite its compact size. Moreover, the model is designed to integrate seamlessly with existing systems and contribute to the open source community. Its structure resembles that of the Llama 2 model, utilizing the same tokenizer with a vocabulary of 32,610 tokens. The most remarkable aspect of the Phi Mini is its ability to operate directly on the iPhone 14. Thanks to its optimized design requiring minimal storage space, just 1.8 GB, and consuming minimal resources while delivering impressive performance, even without an internet connection. Before moving further to this update, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, million of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop, which will increase your productivity and enhance your career. Let's move towards our update. Performance tests, both internal and external, have demonstrated the Phi Mini effectiveness, showcasing its abilities on well-established AI benchmarks such as MMLU and MT-Bench. Microsoft also explored larger versions of the model, namely Phi Small and Phi Medium, with 7 billion and 14 billion parameters respectively. These larger models exhibited further improvements in performance, underscoring the effectiveness of scaling while maintaining data quality. The training process for the Phi Mini involved a combination of web data for general knowledge and language understanding, along with the synthetic data focused on logical reasoning and specialized skills. This iterative approach, coupled with insights from the latest AI research, including advancement in tokenization and attention mechanisms, contributed to the model's robustness and adaptability. Rigorous safety checks and testing procedures were conducted to ensure the model's responsibility deployment, minimizing the risk of generating harmful content. By prioritizing community involvement and compatibility with existing tools, Microsoft aims to foster innovation and facilitate widespread adoption of AI technology. Features like long rope enable the model to handle longer text, expanding its utility across various applications. Moreover, the localized processing capabilities of the Phi Mini enhance user privacy by eliminating the need to transmit sensitive data to remote servers. While the Phi Mini offers numerous benefits, it also has limitations primarily related to its smaller capacity compared to larger models. Tasks requiring extensive domain specific knowledge may pose challenges for the model, although strategies like integrating with search engines can mitigate these limitations. Looking ahead, Microsoft is committed to enhancing the model's multilingual capabilities, building on promising early results with models like Phi Small. In conclusion, Microsoft development with the Phi Mini represents a significant milestone in making powerful AI tools accessible and practical for everyday use. By striking a balance between power, size, efficiency, and accessibility, this innovation paves the way for a smarter, more personalized technology experiences. As AI continues to evolve, it holds the potential to transform how we interact with technology, empowering users and driving innovation across diverse domains. Here, I conclude the update to share and hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. This was Ushma signing off until next time.